Even as far as half caste go, I'm still fair. When I had dreadlocks, I was a Māori. When I cut my dreadlocks off, I was a Pākehā. So I've been places doing moko and stuff, and where's the moko artist? There he is. Where? That's him there. It's me. I was born in Otorohanga, Ngāti Maniapoto. So we were brought up in the sharing sheds, me and my younger sister, so till we were about 12. Got to an age, made a decision about who I am and what my beliefs and morals are, what I'm here trying to do on this earth, and it's all related to the artwork. It's a big piece of who I am. I grew up seeing Dad's drawings. When he was maybe 13, 14, there was a little folder of his illustrations. It was a reflection of his time. Mum was always crafty, gardened, dabbled in clay and stuff. Dad asked, what are you going to do when you're an adult? And I said, I'm going to be a shearer. And he said, oh, that's good, but you can do other things too, you know. Did a year and a half of Polytech. From there, I didn't do too well in that atmosphere. I didn't enjoy it at all. So I quit that, or I failed that. And my auntie who I was staying with, she saw an advert in the Wānanga. Strongly suggested I go down there and do this free course. Got in there, James Ormsby was the person doing the interview. I didn't know that at the time. I didn't even realise he was an Ormsby. He just said, what's your name? And I said, Daniel Ormsby. And he said, you're in. The differences I noticed between the learning I'd been involved in and the learning of the Wānanga was, it was non-competitive. It was awhi, you all celebrated each other's successes and achievements. My previous experience had been hide your work from each other, don't look at my work, but that self-discovery of this new world, my history, my whakapapa. I think James Ormsby helped me flourish. Not only James Ormsby, he's part and parcel of Te Wānanga. The rules weren't intellectual about what makes art. I was allowed to do it how I felt. I wasn't told this is how it has to be. I'd like to see Toi go in heaps of different directions. I'm told it has to be like this. There's not a true reflection of the different state of Māoridom. But myself, I like the individual reflection. This is my life. It's reflected because that's honest. That's what art's about.